Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche 911 Turbo S. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat and understand the layout of the controls. The ignition is typically on the left side of the steering wheel. Once the engine is running, let it idle for a few minutes to reach optimal operating temperature. This ensures the engine oil circulates properly, preparing the powerful six-cylinder boxer engine for the road ahead. The 911 Turbo S offers several driving modes to suit your preference. For an exhilarating experience, switch to Sport Plus mode using the dial on the steering wheel. This sharpens throttle response and stiffens the suspension. The 8-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung, or PDK, transmission provides lightning-fast shifts. You can also take control with the paddle shifters, feeling the immense power as you accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Cornering in a 911 Turbo S is an art. The Porsche Active Suspension Management, or PASM, system keeps the car incredibly stable. When approaching a turn, brake smoothly and progressively. The standard Porsche ceramic composite brakes, or PCCB, provide exceptional stopping power. Aim for a precise line, feeling the direct and communicative steering. The car's wide stance and advanced all-wheel drive system ensure superb grip, allowing you to confidently navigate corners. The 911 Turbo S is packed with advanced technology. Familiarize yourself with the Porsche Communication Management, or PCM, system for navigation and entertainment. Driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, can enhance your driving comfort. The active aerodynamics, including the front spoiler and rear wing, adjust automatically to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. Remember, this is a high-performance vehicle, so always drive responsibly and within your skill level.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.